I'm a little embarrassed about the grays, and I've tried my own like personal hair dyes and stuff like that. It just doesn't seem to cover the grays at all. So I'm looking for something a little bit much more natural, so that there's longevity basically.
But you want me to keep them showing, or you want me to cover them?
No, don't cover them because there's no point. They'll just keep popping out anyway.
Okay.
What do you think?
That would be the wise decision. That would be the wise decision, because they're gonna keep coming, they're gonna keep increasing. Hopefully not, but they might keep increasing. And the more you cover them, the harder and the stronger they come.
Okay.
Then you're gonna be stuck in a cycle of never-ending color. Then your color keep getting darker and darker. Then you hate it dark. You try to lighten it. You lighten it. It gets damaged. It gets shorter. Then it gets frizzy.
Okay.
And you will still end up coming back to the first decision, which is to just let them alone, blend them, hide them a little bit, without fighting them.
Okay.
Do you have any certain color in mind that you like?
My hair tends to go very warm. I kind of like the ashy color a little bit. That's what I'm looking for, but I'm not sure if that's possible. I actually haven't dyed my hair in probably 8 months now.
8 months?
Yeah. I got bored of hiding the grays.
But the roots doesn't look like 8 months.
Really? This is what I remember.
The roots looks like 3 months, not
3 months.
Not 8 months.
Okay, then 8 months. Oh no, I did do root touch-ups. Yes. You're right. You're right. You're the expert.
How long? 3 months ago?
3 months, I'm presuming.
You see, never lie on your hairdresser. Never. We know everything.
8 months here, 3 months here.
Okay, that's a big difference.
I actually really like what you did with...
Okay, so this lady is exactly same situation like you. I'm glad you brought this up. So the same things, start with a few grays on the top, and the hair is dark. Then after lightening,
it was the inspiration. It's so nice on her.
it's basically the same situation. She just got even a little bit more gray than you, so you're in a better position. Only problem that your hair might be a little bit more challenging to lighten it. You've done some straightening process?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, the best way to achieve that, we focus on the ends to boost the lighter color. The more we go toward the top, we change the technique from balayage to a very subtle highlight. Nothing really drastic, very minimal. So you don't need to do a touch-up when the roots grow in a few months. Okay. But that few highlight on the top are enough to break the darkness, create a feeling of the color that we have it toward the ends.
Okay.
And we'll take the attention away from the gray. Because what you have here, you have a dark base and you have white silver on it. So that white silver is gonna pop out all the time. The minute you introduce next to the white silver a few strands of highlight, then you tone down everything with a little bit of darker gray color. The gray and the highlight will kind of settle. They will blend nicely with the dark, taking the attention away from the gray a little bit.
That's exactly what I want.
So when you check them in the mirror, you're gonna still see them. But when you look from a distance, you feel like, you know what, it doesn't look like it's a gray. Okay. And the beauty about this, regardless of how much increase in gray happen in the future, you're prepared for it. The maintenance will be very low. Today I'm painting the balayage and the highlight on a colored hair. In the future, when you do few foils every 5-6 months, you're doing it on a virgin roots. So basically the highlight will lighten so quick, will not affect the hair condition, and you apply the foils, then 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you rinse them out, you tone them down with an ashier finishing, and it's done. So always the first job that we're gonna do today is the biggest job, because you're coming to us with a colored hair. But the touch up in the future will be on a virgin roots and every 4 or 5 months.
That's brilliant. I love that.
But you should stop doing the treatment as a straightening. Because I would like to see more
volume.
More volume, more wave happening all the way to here. Because you do have a little bit of the head is a little bit
pointy,
squeezed, not pointy, it's a bit squeezed over here. So if I shave your head now,
yeah,
it looks like this and like that. So the top is flat.
Yeah.
Then you have a slope over here.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden gets more fuller toward the cheeks. So in order to fill up these two edges, you need this to puff out. In order for this to puff out, you need more natural wave to kind of start coming through. With the layers I will do on the top, it will help it to kind of take the attention away. But I would suggest in the future, don't go with the straightening treatments anymore. The antifreeze today will soften it. We will not change the texture, but you stick to that. You don't go straight in the future anymore. Okay?
Yeah, that works.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
You like the
I'm
plan?
excited.
Okay. Let me get you the breakdown, the price. Then
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take a deep breath.
You like it?
He did a great job.
He's a real artist.
Yeah, he really is.
Thank you.
I visited all hairdressers in Beverly Hills,
Yeah.
in Los Angeles, handsome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Yes.
It's normal.
Okay.
Oh my God, love it.
You're so
So-
feminine.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see the dimension in it now?
Yes.
You still have the darkness, which is your natural, but those beautiful introduced slightly lighter shades, they break the color a little bit, so it doesn't look too light, doesn't look too dark. It's just in between. The gray, I will show you with a closer distance how the gray is still there.
Okay.
But because you have all this around it, you don't see it much.
Okay.
Now the beauty about the ends, that was looking too dark. That was like kind of drawing your whole look down. It's still dark, but in a very rich way.
Yes. No, I love it.
I work well on the layers as well to give you a bit of movement.
Yes.
We didn't do the treatment today. Hopefully next time we'll do it so the hair will look even much more shinier. But when you do the treatment, you will notice the hair is even much more shinier than this.
Oh,
I know you like the shine of it, but you haven't. When we do the
When you do
antifreeze,
the
it's
treat-
even a whole different feeling. All right. You'd stand up so we can capture the color.
Okay.
I didn't cut this. This
Yes.
was there already. You have to grow it.
Okay.
Because your hair tend to kind of, you see how the hair curves over here?
Yes.
Toward your eyes?
Yes.
The longer you'll be able to take it away.
Got it.
When it's short, you cannot control it. The roots controls everything.
Can't even see the grays anymore. It's great.
Yeah. Beautiful. Even the front where you have the gray.
Yeah.
Okay, get closer to the gray, Fatty.
It's not prominent anymore.
You see, they are there. You see them.
Yeah, exactly.
They're everywhere, but they're not there at the same time.
Exactly.
Okay. Gonna turn so I can see the back. Yeah, my voice today. The kids brought from school. I don't know what kind of throat virus. Because I feel fine. Like I feel like really there's nothing wrong in me. It just my
Everyone's
voice.
got the cough.
I'm not coughing even. I feel like I'm just choking. Literally,
It sounds me.
I feel like I'm choking.
Yeah.
And I rarely get sick. Like literally, last time I got sick, maybe 10 years ago. I don't get sick. Okay, look down, please. Yeah, step forward a little bit. A little more. Okay, look down, please. Down. Finally. Look at the other side. Okay, look down, please. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks stunning on you.
No, it's a really nice color.
Yeah, even on the skin looks
Yes.
very elegant. Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you, darling.
Thank
you look
you.
amazing. You look great.
Thank you.
Thank
This is
you.
exactly what I needed.
Very good.
It's a good refresh. Thank you
Yeah,
so
you
much.
need that. Thank you. You're welcome.